Hi children, good morning. Welcome back to mathematics class. Today we are going to discuss a new chapter, solid mensuration of successfully completion of playing with numbers. Playing with numbers, we discussed majorly three concepts. First one, basics. Mean, even, odd, prime, composite, perfect numbers like that. Afterwards, divisibility rules and concept of unity. This chapter we will continue in 8th class as number theory. There, lot many concepts are there. We will continue there. Actually, your foundation book, Mathematics Today, contain playing with numbers, 3 exercises. First exercise, problems and numbers, which were discussed in earlier linear equations. And second one, divisibility rules. And third one, some patterns and puzzles they do. Here, in this particular chapter, solid mensuration. Already we completed plane mensuration. Mensuration deals with the area and perimeter, while solid mensuration deals with volume and surface areas. Volume and surface areas. Here, the figures divided into two kinds: plane figures and solid figures. Plane figures are two-dimensional in shape, while solid figures three-dimensional in shape. Some examples of plane figures are triangle, quadrilateral, circle, etc. Some examples of three-dimensional figures: cuboid, cube, cylinder. These things we have, etc. A sphere, pyramid, prism, like these figures we have. Here, two-dimensional and three-dimensional. What is the difference between dimensions? The two-dimensional figures we can draw on a paper. We can draw on a paper. For example, triangle we can draw. Quadrilateral also. Here, cuboid and cube, cylinder also we can draw, but one space invisible. That is third dimension. For example, cuboid is given, some invisible parts it has. That is the third dimension. So, here plane mensuration completely we discussed it here. Area and perimeter of triangles, different types of triangles also we discussed there. With the help of these triangles, we have here pyramids. Next, quadrilateral. With the help of quadrilateral, we have cuboid, cube, like this figures are. With the help of circle, we have cylinder, cone, sphere, like the figures. Here, we need to discuss volume and surface areas. Before we are going to learn these things, first of all, what are solids? Constitution. Solids. What are solids mean? The bodies occupying space are called solids. Solid mean bodies occupying space. This you occupying space. body is occupying space? With respect to the shape, we can name it as a cuboid, cube, cylinder, cone, sphere. In this way, we can name the given bodies. Okay, here bodies occupying space is called solid. With respect to it, which means the given space occupying body in the shape of cuboid, in the shape of rectangle, with the help of length, breadth, height. These things are there. That is solid. Okay, these are some solid shapes. Next, volume of a solid. Volume. What is meant by volume? The measure of the space occupied by a solid body. Measure of the space. Measure of the space occupied by a solid. Measure of the space occupied by a solid body is called volume. Okay, space occupied by an object. That measure is called its volume. In general, volume is measured in cubic units. Cubic units. While the plane figures are measured in square units. The square units. Here cubical units. It has 3 dimensions. That's why cubical units. There 2-dimensional shape. That's why 2 units. Length, breadth are 2 sides. Breadth and height, base and height. These things we have in 2-dimensional. In case of solid, we have 3-dimensional shape. That's why we measured in cubic units. Here, if you observe, here also we have different areas. First of all, parts of a given solid. Parts. How many parts it has? If you observe the first 3-dimensional figure, cuboid. For example, book. If you observe this book, it has 3 dimensions. Mean it has vertices, edges, faces. Vertices for a 2-dimensional figure also has, while edges and faces for 3-dimensional figures only. Here, if you observe, it has 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Consider the room. Consider the room, which has 6 faces. First 4 walls of your room, for any room, 4 walls of your room, including floor and top. Roof, top means roof. Roof and floor. Roof one floor, one face, top one, bottom one, and 4 walls are given. Okay, top, bottom, and 4 walls. In total, it has 6 faces. 6 faces. For a cuboid, I am discussing units for cuboid. Next, how many edges it has? Where the 2 faces meets, that is called its edge. Okay, here where the 2 faces meets, if you consider this room, here room has 3 colors: yellow, blue, and white. Here where the blue and yellow meets, here in 4 places they meet, 4 edges. Where the blue and white meets, again they meet at 4 places. Next, here yellow and white, blue and white, yellow white, blue and yellow. Like this, they met in 12 places. It has 12 edges. It has 12 edges. Where the 3 edges meets, that is called its vertex. Edges 1, 2, and 3. Okay, this one also one edge. Okay, here 1, 2, and 3. Where it meets 1, 2, 3, 4, like this, 5, 6, 7, and 8. It has 8 vertices. A cuboid has 8 vertices, 2 edges, and 6 faces. Understood? A cuboid has 8 vertices, 12 edges, and 6 faces. I will show the help of this box. Okay, this box in the shape of a cuboid. Now 1, 2, top and bottom, then 4 places, 4 faces. Okay, edges 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, where the 2 faces meets, that is called edge. Here 4, here also 4. Okay, here also 4. In total, it has a 12 edges. Next, 6 faces. Vertices, where the 3 edges meets, 1, 2, and 3. So this is called the vertex. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this, it has a 8 vertices. Euler gave one formula for finding this vertices, edges, and faces. One relation he gave. That is, Euler's relation here E equal to V plus F. Here E plus 2 equal to V plus F. For any prism it works. Euler's formula. Okay, V plus F equal to E plus 2 or 2 plus E equal to V plus F. In case of cuboid, here 2 plus M, E means it is 12. Here V mean 8, F means 6. So here 14 equal to 14. One of the number is missed, then also you can find this one. The same is applicable for cube also. Here cube. In a cuboid, we have length, breadth, and height. For cuboid, we have length, breadth, and height. In the cuboid, its length equal to breadth equal to height, then it is called cube. Cube. In a cuboid, its length, breadth, height are equal, then it is treated as a cube. So, cube also have these 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. Cuboid and cuboid togetherly treated as a cuboid and cube treated as prisms. Cuboid and cube togetherly will be treated as a prisms. For the given solid figure, its top and the bottom has the same plane figures. Those type of figures are called prisms. For the cuboid, cube, cylinder also prism only. The curvilinear. These are rectilinear figures. These are rectilinear figures. Some curvilinear figures also we have. So here we will discuss the surface areas also. Surface areas of given figures. Here two type of surface areas we have. Two type of surface areas. The first one, lateral surface area, LSA. Lateral surface area. Then total surface area, TSA. Total surface area. For the curvilinear figures, we have curved surface area CSA, but curved surface area and lateral surface area are same. Curved surface area. Lateral surface area for rectilinear figures. For the curvilinear figures, curved surface area. Total surface area for both. Total surface area for both the figures. For curvilinear and lateral surface area for those indicates only 4 walls of a room. 4 walls of a room. LSA means 4 walls of a room. Lateral surface area. Lateral surface area of this figure is here for the face, for this one, and for this one. Not for the top and bottom. Except top and bottom, the remaining faces are called lateral surface area. Simply 4 walls of a room. If you consider a room, 4 walls of a room is its lateral surface area. Including roof and the floor, total surface area. Including roof and floor, total surface area. For any figure, in case cylinder also in like water bottle water bottle, which has top and bottom, and curved surface area. Except that the top and bottom, the curved surface area is same. Including top circle and bottom circle, total surface area. These are the parts of cuboid, solid ones. In tomorrow's class, we will discuss volume and surface area. How to find the volume, how to find the surface area of a cube and cuboid. Have a nice day. Bye.